He is very honest. He will always speak dash. Option D. From the bottom of his heart, he is very honest. He will always speak from the bottom of his heart. From the bottom of his heart means, with full honesty and sincerity. She completed the project in time, but only dash. Option B. At the 11th hour, she completed the project in time, but only at the 11th hour. At the 11th hour means, at the last possible moment. He promised to support me dash. Option A. Through thick and thin, he promised to support me through thick and thin. Through thick and thin means, in good times and bad times. The news of his selection came dash. Option C. Out of the blue, the news of his selection came out of the blue. Out of the blue means, unexpectedly. Don't trust him, his promises are always dash. Option B. Castles in the air, don't trust him, his promises are always castles in the air. Castles in the air means, unrealistic or impossible dreams. He accepted the challenge and decided to face it dash. Option A. Tooth and nail, he accepted the challenge and decided to face it tooth and nail. Tooth and nail means, with full force. The thief managed to escape dash. Option D. By the skin of his teeth, the thief managed to escape by the skin of his teeth. By the skin of his teeth means, narrowly. He passed the exam without studying, it was just dash. Option C. A piece of cake, he passed the exam without studying, it was just a piece of cake. A piece of cake means, very easy. After so much hard work, his success was really dash. Option B. The icing on the cake, after so much hard work, his success was really the icing on the cake. The icing on the cake means, an extra advantage. She helped me dash when I was in trouble. Option A. In the nick of time, She helped me in the nick of time when I was in trouble. In the nick of time means very easy. Don't take his words seriously. It's just dash. Option C, a storm in a teacup. Don't take his words seriously. It's just a storm in a teacup. A storm in a teacup means big fuss over a small matter. He completed the project successfully dash. Option A, by hook or by crook. He completed the project successfully by hook or by crook. By hook or by crook means by any means. She is very punctual and reaches office dash. Option D, like clockwork. She is very punctual and reaches office like clockwork. Like clockwork means with regularity. The poor man lived dash throughout his life. Option B, hand to mouth. The poor man lived hand to mouth throughout his life. Hand to mouth means with bare minimum. You must present your evidence dash. Option A, in black and white. You must present your evidence in black and white. In black and white means in written form. The murder was committed dash. Option C, in cold blood. The murder was committed in cold blood. In cold blood means without mercy. Don't waste your time. This task is just dash. Option B, a wild goose chase. Don't waste your time. This task is just a wild goose chase. A wild goose chase means very easy. His promotion was dash for the family. Option D, a feather in the cap. His promotion was a feather in the cap for the family. A feather in the cap means very easy. She speaks English as if it were dash. Option A, at her fingertips. She speaks English as if it were at her fingertips. At her fingertips means in full command. Losing the match was really dash for the players. Option C, A bolt from the blue. Losing the match was really a bolt from the blue for the players. A bolt from the blue means a great shock.